So we have created the inquiry, copied the inquiry type with the name of NI, I, NI, NISS is it? No, yes, NSOR, okay, NSOR. And what's our sales organization? NISO, and then NT, I, NISO, NIS. So this is our sales organization. Okay. Process sales order type NISO with the transaction VA01. Process sales document type NISOR. So it is a OR sales order. It is actually. So we have to give an inquiry. We have not done for the inquiry, right?
No.
Yes, yes. Okay, let me try then VA01. VA01. So give here NI NISOR. Okay. So this is how to create a sales order. Okay, so here our customer sold to party. Okay, where the customer is not showing here. No value found. The company tab. Just remove the sales office and no sales group. Yes. Okay. Now TCS is our customer. NIS 1. So here give her our material. Have we created material?
No, sir.
Okay. We have not created material yet, right? Fine. So let's finish this pricing today, and then we'll create the material, and then we'll come to the sales order. Okay. So we have completed it for price determination, and now we'll create the condition record. Okay. So this is the path: SAP menu, logistics, sales and distribution, master data, conditions, and the select using condition type. VK11 create. Okay. Double click on this. Give your condition type. So what's your condition type? NIPR. NIPR, right?
Yes. For PR00.
Sorry?
For PR00, no, sir.
PR00, correct. So this one. So next is what? NI.
NIKF.
Okay,
NIK
correct.
K4.
K4, 5, 7, and F4. So now we'll maintain the pricing for gross price. What is the price? So enter here. Select and enter. So once you enter here, so this is the sales organization, distribution channel, division, and the customer and material it is coming. So from where it is coming? Do you remember from where it is coming? This the steps: sales organization, distribution channel, division.
Sales cycle.
No. So we have maintained we have created the condition condition table.
Yeah,
Condition table. So in the under condition table, we have selected the fields. You remember? This is the fields we have selected: organization,
yes.
distribution channel,
Condition
division,
table. Yeah.
customer, and then material. So that is the condition table we have selected there, and this is what it is picking in the condition record. Okay. So now, so give this detail and give your customer. and you have to give your material. And now before giving material, I think you have to create first material also. Okay, so to create your material, you should go for a MM01. So what is the T code? MM01. If you want
Zero.
the part, you can go from the logistics, material management, material management, material master, material general. This is MM01 immediate. So here you can create your material. Double click, give your material. If you have a external number range, then you can give your what is your material here. Otherwise, you can leave your space also and you can enter it. That will be a internal number range will be created. Okay. So now we'll create something as a NIS1. We'll give as something material as a cycle is a finished product. Okay. And cycle will be a manufacturing industry. Manufacturing sector. Industry type. Material type. It is finished product. Okay. So standard is a FPRT. FPRT. Okay. Yes, FPRT. Standard. Enter. Okay. Once you enter, so select views. There is a views are there. You have to select. So basic data 2, sales data 1, 2, and then plan data, and then purchasing. Okay. And then general data and the accounting data. These are the things are required. Okay. Select this data and then make it as a default, and then select the organization level. So once you select the organization level, it will ask you plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel. I think we have not created the storage location, right? Have we created?
Yes, sir. Our storage location is NI something.
Okay, okay. Can you pick
NISP.
NISP, NIS1? Okay. Sales organization is NISO, NB, NB. So give this, okay, and enter it. If you want default every time, next time also, if you don't want to fill manually, if you want to take it as a automatic, then click on default settings and then click on enter. So this is what we creating the material information. So material master data is nothing but a material information. So that particular material is what your finished product is, your cycle, and for that cycle, this details you can keep it. Okay, right. Something as a cycle. Yes, well, you can give any description, what company or what type of or what model it is. So you can give anything it is. And how do you measure that is cycle? So do you measure with the kg, pieces, or number, whatever it is? So if you liter, if it is something liter wise that you can give, meter wise that also you can give. We'll give as a piece. P C it will be the P C. Okay, and material group, in which group it will come. So it is might be something as it will give as a steel or machine, or what type it is, material group. If it these are the standards, are there some few standards are there, some created gone. In the real time we can create this. Now as of now we start with something as a steel now. Okay. Now what will be the kg for this weight? Okay. Now unit of weight for this. Now give something as a 10 kg. Okay. I'm just giving as a not exactly the Wait, I'm just approximate. Fill this, enter. And the basic data to nothing, just enter. Okay. See now here you have to give the for tax purpose. For tax we have to maintain it here. So maintain as a tax as a 1 for calculation. If you want to get to be calculated, give as a 1. If you don't want no tax, then it should be give as a 0. So give as a 1 now, enter. Okay. Or here in the sales organization, if you want the plan to be determined in the sales document, then give as a delivery plan here. So our plant is what? NISP. Give this. Okay. Enter. Purchasing group is required in the purchasing. So select here standard which is 001 purchasing group. Like how we have the sales group in SD. So same way it is for purchasing group for the MM. Enter. Okay. Enter. Enter. And now in the accounting tab is important for a integration with the F5. So here we have to link with the F5 part that is called valuation class here. So if there is a standard valuation class is there 7920 that is linked for a financial finished goods. What is it? Account that is it will be linked to the account 7920. It's a valuation class with link with the F5. Okay, this you have to remember this important point. Okay, and now price control. There are two types of the V and S. So V stands for the average. It will be calculated. Okay, and periodically it will be changed. So standard, it is the fixed price will be calculated. It will be calculated. So when you're taking as a V, you have to give a moving price. Yeah. If you say selecting as a yes, then standard price you have to give it. So how much the quantity for that? One quantity, one piece, one price unit of your sales cycle, how much it would be? So 10,000, 1,000, whatever it is. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, give clear and give enter, enter, save it. So your material has been created now. Okay, your material has been created. NIS1 cycle. So same way if you want to without the external number range. So this is external number range. NIS1 cycle external number range. If you don't want without external number range, you can just leave this blank and you can enter it also. Okay. Now your material has been created. So now I just want to show you in the simultaneously. I will just show you sales order. Go for your sales order. VA0 1. Enter. Now your customer is this material is NIS 1 cycle. Enter. So now it is asking for the customer price group. Enter. Material price group. Enter. Quantity. You have to give something quantity here. How much quantity you going to purchase? Sales storage location. Net value. So if you double click on this item, conditions. So this here see, it's everything it is blank, right? So you can see this gross total discount after deduction and the MWST price, but everything it has been 0, right? Nothing has been calculated. So once you maintain the condition record, that time it will be shows. So pricing error, mandatory condition. Its mandatory condition is what? NIPR is missing. So now for this, you have to maintain this condition record. Okay. Now you give your customer, what's the company code? NIS1 select this, give the material, one cycle, and then give the amount. Okay. So how much the amount for that cycle? So we maintain as a 1,000 there. We give as a 10,000 here and we see enter. Okay. Now we given as a 10,000 one piece of a cycle. So valid from this 6 March to this March valid. Save it. Okay. Now same way. Now you can check here again. Okay. Now you can see this. The price is being calculated 10,000 for one piece. Okay. Now rest if you see it is nothing is been calculated, right? Now same way, how how you maintain the condition type. So it will be based on that the your inquiry quotation and the order will be created. So now if you same way if you go for your VAT, give your K for discount, enter your give the material and I was give the material amount again something as a 10 rupees discount minus. Okay, save it. Data is saved. Now go back again, update new pricing. Here 10%. Okay, not 10%, 10 amount, 10 rupees is been deducted. Okay. So when it's 10 rupees is deducted, what the amount is showing? 99. 99. Net amount is 99.900. Okay. So again, go to use the material here. Material for this. Give as a 20. Enter. Save it. Now again come for 7. Now it is here it is 5. So now it is 5 rupees. So whatever it is showing is a percentage wise. Okay. So save it. We have freight charges. It has a freight charges. Yeah. Now you can check here again. Okay. Discounts are calculated. Material discount, customer material, and customer discount. And also your freight charges. Okay. Now tax is only pending with this. Now for tax, what you have to do? You have to maintain for the condition record for the tax also. MWST. Okay. Go for MWST. Give your domestic taxes. Country. Okay. Here tax procedure is for customer and material. Tax classification for customer and material. So if there is a standard is there, customer one, customer one, and here 1. Give this, and you can give the amount here. How much amount it will be? Percentage wise, I think. So how much to be calculated? 10%. Okay. Tax code in the procedure tax IN is invalid. There's a something here. Tax 12% input tax. Yeah. Okay. X0. X0 or XO. You just check whether it is there or not. X0. Okay. Not calculated. These are tax calculation. From a percent, we have to check that. In this country, go to the IN, check for tax. The tax procedure is IN, it is not. If you look here, IN, for IN calculation, what is the code for that? IN, we selected as a V, sorry, X0. Enter, check 10% it is there. Okay. Sorry, it is showing as a output tax. It is wrong actually, VST. We have to create as a MWST. For X0, O. So I think tax IN it is wrong here. So we'll take something IN. Wait, tax IN. We have one tax procedure. Abdul, what was the tax what we used last time? This HCI PPP. HCI PPP. Go for tax code. Give your IN and the now tax code is X4. Enter. Okay. Now XO is there. We can maintain something there. X4 for 10. Check here. Not showing it is. Let me check in the material master whether we assign tax code or not. 902. Enter, enter, enter. Material we have assigned it. Sorry. So give as a customer VP. Check there also you have whether you have assigned or not. 'Cause the sales data we have to go and check. So in this, go for FLU, FLCU 01. Enter sales data, distribution channel, on order, billing, loan, yeah. Okay, and the GST condition type, leave as a 1. Okay, so now what we taking it is a condition type of MWST. So, okay, so this is the configuration for tax itself to determine the tax itself. So this here you have to, for tax determination from FI part, this calculation step is there. You just note down, no need to create here. So here you can have a access sequence. For here it is already MWST, it's a standard classification, access, enter, tax classification, country, tax code. Again, if you select and enter the fields, it's same way it is asking for the country and the tax code. So go back, MWST. The condition type here it is maintained as a MWST. MWST. No, MWST, no, AS. AS. Output tax. This is the output tax. Okay, for this, the access sequence is MWST. Okay, now come back in the procedure. If you go here, uh, standard is standard. I think we are not taken standard. We are taking from the. If you look here, there was a standard tax IN. Yeah, this one. Under that, if you look here, okay, it is wrongly calculated. It is MWAS output tax. So this is the output tax MWS, and here for input tax it should be VST. Save this. Not required actually, it is all configured. So I'm just showing for you. Back. Save it. So same way, define tax codes. IN, IN, we have X0, okay, XO, 10%. Give as a 10% base for MWS, save it. And there define tax accounts. If you go here, already tax accounts also has been defined. MWS, enter, rules, startup account, YCOA, select, and enter accounts. So this is the code which has been using for the, account using from the FI part. Okay. Now let me check. Let me go back. Enter, user, customer, material, enter, enter, enter. Use something like value or amount a quantity, division, one quantity only, enter, conditions. Okay, now we can see this percentage 10% has been calculated. Okay, tax is been calculated as a 10%, 947. So this is your sales order is being created. Save it as of now if you want. Sales order number is being generated. Let me talk about